What's going on, Facebook fam? It's Big John hollering at you from Delta Cam in Tacoma, Washington. And just real quick, wandering around. Everyone's gone. I had a guy leave early today, and the other guy only works half days. He gets in at 4 in the morning and everything, so it's actually pretty quiet. And I got some of the cleaning equipment turned off so we can hear the video a little bit better. What we have here is the typical, it just happens all the time. These LS Chevys are making phenomenal clean horsepower, torque, great engine base. The lifters are failing at a magnificent high rate of speed. If for whatever reason you're able to keep cam bearings in it, and that means your lifter is going to fail. And if your lifters for whatever reason survive, then you're going to spin a cam bearing. That's the two problems with this engine series. But other than that, it's phenomenal. They're getting monster horsepower from a small cam upgrade. But check this out. This is what happens. Right here, one of these, I won't say the name of the company, but this is the box that we received it in. Typical camshaft, pretty low mileage, all the way down to this one right here. Standard looking damage. You see it all the time. I probably regrind these cams from this company. Phenomenal company. Them and Texas Speed basically own the aftermarket LS market. Phenomenal products. None of their camshafts are not having problems. The lifters are failing and eating up the camshafts is what the problem is. So what we're going to end up doing on this one right here, I got it in the spray cabinet. We're going to end up spraying it down, cleaning it up, putting it in the little parts tumbler there to finish cleaning it up, put it back in the spray cabinet here to take the solvent off of it. Then it'll go over to the cam prep area where I'll end up prepping this camshaft tomorrow morning. It's about 4 o'clock right now, so I'll end up prepping the camshaft in the morning. This is the grind that I already have the tooling from. Camshaft lobe or camshaft lobe design is a mathematical equation, and it can't be copied, or it can't be protected from people copying it. So once you get a certain point past the decimal place in the numerical data of the actual lobe profile, you go out a certain amount and it'll vary, then it's theoretically a different profile. But yeah, the camshaft machines that we use are called Berco 1500 RAC, and they're basically a giant key cutter for camshafts. Once you put the master camshaft in there and cut tooling, which you can see, I'll actually upload this video to YouTube and then I'll share it to my Facebook. But if you look on the YouTube channel at Delta Camshaft, on the YouTube channel there, you'll be able to see the tool cut and tooling for the camshaft profiles, and you'll be able to get a good visual understanding of what's going on there. But this one right here, it's a local friend of ours that works at a local performance shop. I don't necessarily want to say the name, but they have a lot of technology and turbos. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up for her and get it back to her probably tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to push this through, get it going, and get it back in so she can get her daily driver up and running again. Like I said, BTR is a phenomenal company. They put out great product. Their camshafts are great, high quality steel. Everything's good. The specs are spec out. Everything is good with them. They just get chewed up by faulty lifters. So don't throw your camshafts away. The Texas Speed cams and the BTR Ride Tool Racing, if you have a lifter failure, do not throw the camshafts away. We're able to come back in here. This one right here didn't have enough damage, so it probably won't even require a weld. We're able to grind that down a little bit to take the damaged area out, and the hydraulic lifter will pick that back up when she goes to reset the valve lash in there. So reassemble the engine, it'll be good to go. So that's about it. You know, these camshafts, when you lose a lobe, you know, you lose a lifter, it chews up a lobe, doesn't mean they're scrap. Don't stop throwing them away. Go to the website deltacam.com. Go to the front page up there in the order tab, order link tab. Click that. That page will pop up. Print that out. Fill it all out. Send it in. A couple days later, we'll get it done for you. Get it sent back out. And just like that, you're good to go. Back with inspect, ready to rock and roll. And I wish you the best of luck and hope you guys are able to find some good lifters out there.